Hello my dear friends, if suddenly your garbage disposal not working, what to do? If garbage disposal stops working, try these fixes before calling a repair person. Because there may be a minor fault, try these fixes and save your money, because in most of the cases, these fixes repair all problems related to faulty garbage disposal. Sometimes a faulty garbage disposal only needs a nudge to get back up and running. First of all, if your garbage disposal not working, then check the power supply. Whenever an appliance like a garbage disposal is not working, the first thing to do is to check whether it's still plugged in. Garbage disposal plug can easily get knocked loose or pushed out of the outlet. Plug it in, and you're back in working stage, and make sure power is coming in outlet where garbage disposal is connected. Method 2. Check the electrical circuit. Locate the trip breaker in your home's main electrical panel and flip it back on, make sure all electrical circuit should on, and test how many other outlets in the kitchen still have power. Method 3. Reset the garbage disposal. If the garbage disposal is getting power, and you've confirmed that it's plugged in, the solution may be as simple as pressing the reset button. Overloading the garbage disposal with food scraps can cause it to overheat and trip the reset button. To reset the garbage disposal, you first have to find the button. The garbage disposal reset button is usually on the side or the bottom of the undersink part of the unit, depending on the model you have. You may have to feel around the back of the unit to locate it. When you find the button, press it once, firmly, and release. Method 4. Rotate the flywheel and impellers. A garbage disposal uses impeller arms attached to a flywheel that's surrounded by a shredder ring. When the flywheel spins, the impellers and ring work together to shred anything that comes into contact with them. Sometimes pieces of metal or other materials that are too hard for the impeller arms to break down become caught in the impeller, or between the flywheel and the shredder ring, jamming them. Cut the power to the garbage disposal by unplugging it. On the bottom of the outside of the garbage disposal, in the very center, is a small depression that receives a 1/4-inch hex head wrench. Fit the garbage disposal key or wrench in the depression and twist it back and forth firmly to rotate the flywheel and impellers to free the stuck item. Once you've cleared the foreign object, reconnect the power, then turn on the faucet and test the garbage disposal to see if it works. You may need to press the reset switch before the garbage disposal will come back on. Last method. Check for leaks. Examine the plumbing around the garbage disposal. The most common places to check for a leak are in the lines that run to and from the garbage disposal. Check the discharge tube that connects from the disposal to the sink drain line. If water only seems to leak when the dishwasher is running, check the dishwasher drain line, which connects to the disposal near the top of the unit. If the leak is coming from one of the lines, the fix is fairly easy: tighten the connections. If that doesn't work, you'll need to replace the lines. If you still facing problem, if all else fails, replace the garbage disposal. Or if it isn't covered by warranty, then contact company and tell them issue, they will fix it for you. Hope you like this video. If yes, please hit a like button.